Hello guys, today we will be making a YouTube video about Blox Fruits, and like and sub, and yeah, we're going to be trying to jump from the tallest height in the first sea, and yeah. It's been a long time since I've uploaded, but that's only because it's been hard to upload because I've been wanting to do VR content, and sometimes I can't do that, so yeah. It's gonna take a while for me to make content like this, so I'm just hoping you guys like and subscribe, and yeah. Oh, this bacon just gave me a rocket. Yeah, I'm gonna try and give it back to him. There you go, bacon. What are you trying to do, bro? What's that? Oh. Why did he give me it back? Oh, come here. No, you're gonna take this rocket. Come on, bro. Don't be running from me. Man. There's no need to run. Come on. Come on, give me my rocket. I'm gonna give you this rocket. Nope. No jumping away. Come on. Come here. No, I don't know. Never mind, bro. I'm just gonna leave there. I gotta get to jumping off the highest thing. Alright, we're gonna use Scorching Donut. And we're gonna get to that top. Boom, boom, boom. It's been a while, guys. Man. You guys still won't subscribe. But I'm gonna keep making videos because I like to make them. Alright, we're almost there. We're about to go on the top. And we're gonna use Scorching Donut, and then we're gonna get on the top, guys. And make our giant splash in the water. And yeah, that'll be it once. Alright, the boss is in here, so I guess let's just go on the top now. Let's kill this kid. First, though. Yep. I knew that he would be a low level. Alright, time to sky jump. Alright. Let's get up on top of here. Alright. 3, 2, 1, cannonball!